Behind the design, lateral flange. This client needed a custom orthotic to provide lateral stability at the heel and midfoot. It was for a flexible supinated foot type with symptomatic tissue stress pathology. The aim of this orthotic was to provide lateral stability with a combination of intrinsic and extrinsic prescription variables. They used the DOLA custom orthotic service. They selected the lateral flange from the shell modification section of the digital corrections on the DOLA detailed prescription form. Key features of a lateral flange include an intrinsic extension of the lateral border of the orthotic shell, extending the lateral orthotic shell upwards. It runs from the lateral heel cup with an apex at the cuboid to taper at the fifth metatarsal shaft. It results in an increased height of the lateral border of the orthotic. It also forms part of a UCBL device, combined with a medial flange and a high heel cup. Orthotip. The lateral flange aims, in combination with the lateral arch of the orthotic, to support the lateral longitudinal arch, the subtalar joint, and mid-tarsal joint, assisting in the frontal plane, sagittal plane, and transverse plane control. The height of the flange can be prescribed by the practitioner. Note: footwear fit should be considered due to the increased bulk. Note: control and bulk is influenced by the orthotic shell material. EVA will provide high bulk but less control, whereas poly will provide moderate bulk but higher control. A lateral flange can be adjusted or removed with a grinder. A lateral flange is common to assist with lateral ankle instability and perineal issues.